Centauro B1 is a wheeled anti-tank vehicle designed and manufactured by Iveco and Melara Consortium, CIO of Italy. The new fleet of Centauro B1 is to replace the initial version of the Centauro B1 with a 105mm gun, which began strengthening the Italian Army Mechanized Brigades since 1991. Compared to the Centauro B1 version, Centauro B1 is superior in many ways. Starting from the strength of the machine, the power of attack, the ability to observe, guarded protection, ergonomics, mobility and communication systems. With a weight of up to 30 tons, the Centauro B1 is equipped with the new Iveco Vector 8V Roman 3 diesel engine with 720 HP. This engine is more powerful than the old Centauro B1 engine, which had 520 HP. The Centauro B1's combat power is also getting fiercer with the third-generation HP, high-pressure Canon caliber 120mm/L45 mounted on the Iveco and K2 dome. The Iveco and K2's gun turret has an ammunition rack for 12 rounds with a semi-automatic loading system. If an auto-loading system is installed, 6 rounds ready to fire are in the drum and another 6 in the ammunition rack. Around 40 spare munitions are available with a manual loading system. The Centauro B1 cannon is of the smoothbore type. This cannon can fire all standard NATO 120mm rounds of various generations, AFS, armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding Sabot and MP, multi-purpose munitions. As a second weapon, on the turret roof of the Iveco and K2 can be equipped with a Hitrolight Remote Control Weapon Station, RCWS. Weapon options include a 7.62mm machine gun with 750 rounds, a 12.7mm caliber with 400 rounds, or a 40mm automatic grenade launcher, AGL with 96 rounds. The Centauro B1 features a modern fire control system and the latest generation of optics. The commander uses a panoramic sight system to search for targets. After the target is selected, the weapon is placed on the target automatically and the shooter completes all the aiming and shooting execution processes. During this time, the commander was also looking for the next target. At least it takes approximately 30 seconds to destroy the target after being found. As part of its sensor suite, the Iveco and K2 turret has a stable vision system for both the gunner and the driver. Both channels have third-generation IR and LITV sensors. For the safety and protection of the crew, the vehicle offers an anti-explosion compartment in which there is a partition separating the ammunition from the loader. Then a fuel tank that is resistant to explosives and an automatic fire suppression system. Centauro B1 is also equipped with the Guardian H3 IED jammer system, which is capable of blocking IED controller radio control signals. There is also a laser warning receiver system which can be set to trigger the grenade launcher immediately. This armored cannon also gets an anti-chemical, biological, radiological and nuclear (CBRN) protection system. The Centauro B1 vehicle incorporates a high-hardness steel monocoque hull and a new aluminum composite turret. In the standard configuration, the front arch section is impact-resistant for 20mm rounds and the entire body is capable of handling 12.7mm rounds. To increase its immunity, Centauro B1 can be equipped with add-on armor in the form of composite layers and even explosive reactive armor, IRA. With this additional layer of protection, The ARC section is safe against 30 mm ammunition, while other body parts can withstand 14.5 mm ammunition. To face difficult terrain comfortably, Centauro 2 is equipped with an independent suspension system and hydro-pneumatic. The tire pressure can be adjusted from the inside. CTIS according to road conditions, and the wheels use a run-flat type which can still run even if it is punctured by bullets.